Traditionally, companies have managed all business processes using on-premise applications, such as the leading SAP Business Suite. With the emergence of the cloud computing paradigm, companies of all sizes and in all verticals are moving more and more of their processes into the cloud for cost and business agility reasons. As a result, processes and data are distributed over different computing models, on-premise and cloud. For example, processes managing stable back-office business functions are operated in the traditional on-premise model. Customer-facing processes, which require much more flexibility, are operated in the cloud computing model by Salesforce.com. The distribution of data and processes creates the vital need for cloud integration. Cloud integration seamlessly unites separated processes spanning different computing models into end-to-end hybrid processes. Thus, cloud integration is the ultimate enabler of a best-of-both-worlds strategy. SAP as the leading provider of on-premise business applications, with Salesforce.com the leading cloud service provider. Historically, companies have leveraged the traditional on-premise or the more innovative cloud middleware technology for cloud integration. Middleware technology, no matter whether on-premise or cloud, operates as a mediator between the applications to be integrated and therefore generates unnecessary complexity and additional cost. Given that both SAP and Salesforce.com are operated on native platforms with built-in integration technology, a third-party middleware will become obsolete. SKYVVA is revolutionizing Salesforce to SAP by moving integration processes from third-party middleware to the native platforms Force.com and NetWeaver. This innovative approach is called iPaaS, Integration Platform as a Service, and moves the ease of use and economics of the cloud computing model to the integration space, turning the integration space upside down. Cloud integration, considered a time-consuming, costly, and risky task in the past, now can be managed in the Salesforce look and feel without any coding, ultimately giving back control over processes to business. With SKYVVA, a Salesforce to SAP integration can be configured within a very few days at a fraction of the cost compared to the middleware approach by simply taking full advantage of the platform function set. Salesforce formulas are used to transform data. VLOOKUP function is leveraged to create relationships between multiple objects. Integration flow is implemented using workflows. The Opportunity-to-Cash process is a key customer-centric process spanning Salesforce Cloud Services and SAP on-premise business applications requiring cloud integration services to enable a hybrid end-to-end process. A typical customer-facing process, like creating a new opportunity, plus all customer relationships tasks associated with the opportunity, is managed by Salesforce Sales Cloud. Also, the creating of a quote and all customer-related tasks to get approval for the quote is a Sales Cloud-driven process. Once the customer signs the quote and the opportunity reaches the closed won status, the SAP module Sales and Distribution comes into the play for order fulfillment. So quotation header and line items data are sent to SAP to create a sales order in SAP. As soon as the sales order is created in SAP, a general order status is sent to Salesforce and linked to the associated order. All logistic and financial processes associated with the order fulfillment are managed by the SAP modules Sales and Distribution and Financials. Once the order gets delivered, Salesforce is notified and the delivery status is updated automatically in Salesforce. The same is true for the invoice process, which is also managed in SAP. Also, the invoice status is updated in Salesforce to provide the sales rep with a 360-degree customer view.